Hello ma'am, I want to know how to make 1 year baby latch. Hi, helping a 1 year old baby latch can sometimes be a different compared to newborns as they might have different feeding preferences and habits by that age. Here are a few suggestions to help encourage a 1 year old baby to latch. Create a calm and comfortable environment. Find a quiet and relaxed space for feeding, free from distractions that might draw the baby's attention away. Positioning. Make sure you and your baby are positioned comfortably. Use pillows or cushions to support your arms and the baby's body, allowing both of you to be at ease during feeding. Offer familiar surroundings. If possible, try to replicate the baby's usual feeding environment to create a sense of familiarity. This can help the baby feel more at ease and encourage latching. Use distractions if needed. At this age, babies can be easily distracted. If the baby seems disinterested in latching, you can try providing a quiet toy or singing a soft song to capture their attention and help them focus. Experiment with different nursing positions. 1 year olds may prefer different nursing positions compared to newborns. You can try the cradle hold, the football hold, or even nursing while the baby is seated. See which position works best for you and your baby. Encourage skin to skin contact. Skin to skin contact can help establish a connection between you and the baby, and it may increase the baby's willingness to latch. Consider having some skin to skin time before feeding to promote bonding and relaxation. Patience and persistence. It's essential to be patient and persistent while working on latching with a 1 year old. They may take some time to adjust to new positions or feeding techniques. Keep trying and don't get discouraged if it takes a few attempts. Remember, every baby is unique, so it's essential to listen to the baby's cues and adjust accordingly. If you encounter persistent difficulties with latching, it's always a good idea to consult a lactation consultant who can provide further guidance tailored to your specific needs.